Crumbs, honey, what's wrong?
Jeez, but that was expected. She was right on the floor.
No. It's like she's trying to cough, but she's got a squeaker toy caught in her throat.
She just squeeze bars.
She was out in the catio when I was giving Chad the squeeze up.
She just ate a bug and went down the wrong way.
What's the matter, Crumbs?
Did you eat a bug?
Do you want some squeeze ups? Coming to see Mommy. Got you a good treat right here.
That's the damnedest noise.
Yeah, I didn't catch the first few minutes of it. Yes, she is due for her annual exam. Petey, you can't have any.
Petey.
He's crowding crumbs.
Come on, boy.
Here, girlie.